Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for 2025. Today, we're tackling something super straightforward: how to activate your Nordstrom credit card. If you've just been approved or received your card in the mail, this quick guide will get you up and running in no time. Why bother? Activating your card unlocks rewards, exclusive deals, and seamless shopping experiences at Nordstrom and beyond. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your card details handy. You'll need your card number, the CVV, and any activation code that came with your card, usually via email or a letter. Step 1. Head over to the official Nordstrom website. It's nordstrom.com, and look for the Credit Card section in the top menu. If you're tech-savvy, download the Nordstrom app from your phone's app store for a smoother experience. Once you're on the site or in the app, log in to your account. If you don't have one yet, create it quickly using your email and a password. Now, navigate to the Activate Card option. It's usually under My Account or Card Services. Enter the required information, like your card number and the last 4 digits of your social security number for verification. Double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. After submitting, you might get a verification code sent to your phone or email. Enter that, and voila, your card should be activated. To be thorough, test it by making a small purchase online or in-store. Pro tip: if you run into issues, like an error message, double-check your details or contact Nordstrom customer service at their toll-free number, which is listed on the back of your card. They're available 24/7 and can walk you through any problems. Remember, for 2025, Nordstrom has updated their security features, so keep an eye out for 2-factor authentication to protect your account. Activating your card is not just about shopping, it's about earning points and enjoying perks like free shipping. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance and shopping hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.